The function of ceramic vessels is a relatively poorly researched area. We usually focus on techno-stylistic features that define the function based on size and shape. The aim of the project is to recognize the function of the selected vessels of various forms and sizes. The main method is user analysis and comparing the observed traces with the results of experiments. I use a stereoscopic microscope, Olympus SZX9, magnification 6.3 to 10. This brief speech is a part of my PhD project. I would like to show you traces observed on scoops from two sites: cemetery Miłosławica, late Bronze Age, early Iron Age, and settlement Wrocław-Widawa, late Bronze Age. We can observe many different traces on pottery surfaces, both mechanical and chemical. One of the most common are striations, mechanical abrasions caused by everyday use, keeping them inside each other, but also by stirring the contents inside. The collection of observed various shapes scoops from Widawa settlement consists of 6 items. On their external surfaces of the bases, I noticed a heavily abraded area. Inside the scoops, we can observe two different kinds of traces. First are multiple circular striations ending with a circular scum line. The second type are patches with extended abrasion of the original surface. The abrasion patch is located only in part of the inner surface of the bottom. That might have resulted from the fact that the surface was not originally uneven and the pressure was more intense only in some areas of the bottom. Such traces are present in every scoop from Widawa. The collection of analyzed scoops from the cemetery at Miłosławica consists of 12 items. 7 scoops have traces on the external surface of the base, indicating shifting on a coarse surface. Other 9 objects bear no traces. Traces are present on the inner surface of only 3 scoops. They are poorly developed abrasions observed inside the scoops, accumulating in the depression around the base. In one case, we can observe short, shallow striations on the entire surface of the walls inside the vessels. To prepare experimental vessels, I used ferruginous clay tempered with fine-grained crushed granite. The firing was then done in an electric kiln in an oxidizing atmosphere with hourly temperature increases of 30 degrees to reach a maximum of 500. One of the experiments was designed to produce traces of stirring the false flax Camelina sativa and poppy seeds Papaver somniferum. Camelina sativa seeds were ground with a wooden spoon for 1 hour, while poppy seeds were ground with a wooden stick for 1 hour as well. The traces are similar, but in the case of the Camelina seeds, the striations are more chaotic, not parallel. In the case of poppy, the distance between the striations is more regular and more parallel. The difference might have resulted from the various sizes and shapes of both types of seeds. Moreover, grinding poppy seeds produced extended abrasion areas similar to those observed on scoops from Widawa, but less developed. The vessels from the Widawa settlement were more heavily used than those from the Miłosławice cemetery. The wear on the external and internal surfaces evidences this. Also important is the fact that in the cemetery collection, only 3 out of 12 scoops had traces inside, and in the case of the settlement, all 6 scoops had such traces. Certainly, in the scoops from Widawa, some solid substance was mixed or crushed, and my experiment showed that may have been poppy seeds or other seeds of similar size and shape. The traces inside the vessels from Miłosławice have a different character. They are definitely less developed and concentrated only in the depression around the bottoms. Owing to the fact that in the cemetery collection the traces are located on the bases and did not reach the walls, no materials were crushed or mixed in these vessels. My research shows that the scoops from various contexts, although similar in shape and size, could have played entirely different functions. Thank you.